Removing a stuck screw on Acer Aspire 315 laptop. Thank you, Sir Franklin, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. If you're planning to visit a professional repair shop to remove a stuck screw from your laptop, and they typically use grinding as a method, it's great to approach the situation with an open mind. Grinding can be an effective technique to create a new mounting point for a screwdriver, especially if the screw is particularly stubborn. Before you proceed, consider discussing alternative methods with the technician, such as using penetrating oil or rubber bands, as they may have a variety of techniques at their disposal. Removing the screw is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your stuck screw removed too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.